Fiona is a girl. She works. She is late for work, so she runs very fast. She has a phone and talks on the phone. "Boss, I am sorry," Fiona says. "I am coming now." Fiona holds a big blue balloon. The balloon is a secret, and it is very important for her job. Fiona runs and runs. She bumps into a man. The man has many pink balloons. A small girl is with him. She holds a toy rabbit. Fiona's blue balloon flies away. It is gone. Fiona feels very sad. The man sees her sad face. A pink balloon is close to Fiona, and she touches it. The balloon makes a pop sound. Pink paper, called confetti, comes out. The man laughs. "A girl," he says. "You have a baby girl." Fiona says, "No, not me. I have no baby. I am alone." The man's boss is on the phone. "Who is that?" the boss asks. "What happened?" The man points at Fiona. "She did it," he says. Fiona feels bad, so she says, "The balloon was mine. I am pregnant, and I have a baby girl too." The man is surprised. He looks at Fiona. "What?" he says. "You have a baby, but you are alone. You have no boyfriend?" Fiona points at the man. "I have one now. You are my boyfriend." The man looks at her and then smiles. "Okay, baby," he says. "I am so happy. We have a girl." The little girl runs to the man. "Daddy," she says, "I miss you." "Hey, princess," the man says, "I miss you too." He looks at Fiona. "This is Olivia, my daughter." Fiona feels a bit strange. The man is a good father. Fiona's boss is on the phone again. "Where is my balloon?" she asks. "I am angry." Fiona says, "I have no balloon. My boyfriend has a balloon." The man says, "I will help you. I am your assistant now. I will fix everything. Do not worry." Fiona gives money to the man. "Be my boyfriend," she says. "We need to go to a party. Be a happy father. I will be a happy mother. Okay?" "Okay," the man says. "Two girls. Why two?" Olivia sees Fiona. She holds her toy rabbit and gives it to Fiona. "Thank you for watching me," Olivia says. "Oh no," Fiona thinks. "I have 2 daughters now. I only need 1. But this girl is so cute. At the party, Fiona, Noah, and Olivia are a family. Olivia eats a lot of cake, and her face is white with cream. Fiona's boss comes. "You have a child," she says. "Who is this girl?" Fiona says, "This is my boyfriend's daughter. We are close. She thinks I am her mum." The boss says, "Tell me her name." Fiona is quiet. Olivia is also quiet. Fiona says, "Her name is Olivia. She is deaf. She cannot hear you, but she can read my lips." Noah comes. He is not happy. "Why did you do this?" he asks Fiona. "You use us. You do not care about Olivia. You only love your work." Fiona feels very sad. Her eyes are wet. She remembers her father. He was a good man. He was alone with her, and he taught her many things. He played the guitar. When her father died, Fiona felt alone. She decided to be strong and would never be hurt again. She only wanted to work and work. Noah looks at Fiona. "My daughter's mum is like you," he says. "She loves her work. She does not love her family." Fiona says, "I am sorry. I did not know." The boss says, "It is time for the balloon. We will pop the balloon now." The party crowd counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The balloon makes a pop sound. Pink confetti flies. Everyone is happy. Fiona's boss is happy too. The boss says, "Fiona is my assistant. She is a good worker. She loves work. She does not need a family." Fiona feels a cold wind. Her heart is cold. She looks at Noah. They look at each other. They do not talk. The boss calls Fiona. "Fiona, come to my office," she says. "I have something to tell you about your man and the child." Fiona goes to the office. The boss is happy. "Fiona," she says, "you are a good worker. You lie for your work. You are very strong. You are a great assistant. You have a promotion. You have a new good job." Fiona says, "Thank you." The boss says, "Can you help me more? My friend Emma is pregnant. She needs to know about babies. Can she visit your house? Can she see your family? Your family is perfect." Fiona says, "Yes, you can come to my house." Fiona finds Noah. "I got a promotion," she says. "I am happy." Noah says, "I am happy for you. You got what you wanted." Fiona feels very sad. I am sorry, she says. I used you and Olivia. I am not a good person. We are strangers, Noah says. We will go now. Goodbye. Fiona is very sad. Wait, she says. I want to thank you. I want to thank Olivia. No, Noah says. We do not need thanks. I have a gift for Olivia, Fiona says. It was my father's. It is a guitar. I can play the guitar for her. Noah is surprised. He looks at Fiona and the guitar. Fiona plays the guitar and sings a small song. Olivia smiles. She reads Fiona's lips and claps her hands. She is very happy. Fiona feels warm inside. Her heart is not cold anymore. Noah looks at Fiona. Fiona looks at Noah. I am sorry, she says. It is hard to kiss a stranger. We are not strangers, Noah says. We have all night. Stay with me. Fiona stays. They talk. They are happy together. What is your dream? Fiona asks Noah. My dream is for Olivia to hear, he says. She can hear music and laughter. My dream was my job, Fiona says. Now my old dreams are gone. I have new dreams, but I am afraid to say them. The new dreams are about Noah and Olivia. They are about a family. The next day, Fiona makes breakfast. She makes pancakes. She hears a knock on the door. It is the boss and Emma. The boss smiles. Fiona, she says, your house is nice. You are a perfect mom. Your man is perfect. Noah is sad. He talks to the boss. We are not a family, he says. We are not married. The boss is very angry. You lied to me, she says to Fiona. You are not a good person. You used them for your job. You are right, Fiona says. I am a bad person. I did it for my job. But then I met them. Now I am a different person. The boss says, I need a person like you. You are strong. The job is yours. You deserve it. Fiona looks at Noah and Olivia. She looks at her boss. No, Fiona says. I do not want this job. I quit. I want to be with them. I lost my family for this job. The boss is shocked. You quit? She says. You worked so hard. Fiona says, I want my bonus money. Now, please leave. The boss and Emma go away. Fiona is alone with Noah and Olivia. Fiona feels sad. I am sorry, she says to Noah. Fiona, Noah says, Olivia can hear. The money you gave me yesterday, it was a lot. We used it for her. Thank you. Fiona is very happy. She cries. Oh my God, she says. I am so happy. I am not happy, Noah says. Why? Fiona asks. It was your dream. My dream was for Olivia to hear, Noah says. Now my new dream is here, but I cannot have it. What is your new dream? Fiona asks. My new dream is to be with you. You and me. And Olivia. We can be a real family. Fiona smiles. She is not lonely anymore. She has a family. She has a dream. The end.